How to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually purchase Bitcoin on Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, make sure to log in, then tap on the little home or the banking icon from the bottom left of the screen over here, and then you'll land on this page. And when you land on this page, you just need to go and then tap on the option called buy Bitcoin, which you see over here. Just tap on the buy Bitcoin button, and then over here you have different type of options, right? You have the story of Bitcoin, deposit Bitcoin, and whatever else. So basically you need to just tap on this little button that says buy Bitcoin. Now once you tap on buy Bitcoin, it'll ask you how much dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. If you want to enter a custom amount though, you can just tap on the three dots, enter the dollars worth equivalent of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and then just tap on next. Then once you've done that, basically on the next specific page it will require you to simply enter your legal name, so you might as well go ahead and then actually enter your legal name. Then after that it will ask you to select your birth date, month, and then year respectively. So let me enter my birth date as well as my birth month as well as my birth year. Then I'll just need to tap on the next option again. Now once I've done that, it's going to ask me to enter the last four digits of my social security number. So basically if you live in the US, you have to enter the last four digits of your SSN. The Cash App is going to verify whether or not a person with that SSN exists, and then it's going to ask you for further verification processes such as your payment details and everything else, and then your purchase will be successful. And that is it for this video on how you can purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.